Hello everyone, welcome back to the Healthy Friends channel. This channel discusses all about health. I hope may we all always be in good health. In this video, we will tell you about 9 best bodyweight exercises for beginners. The best type of exercise for beginners is the one you'll actually do. Without sounding flippant, the likelihood of keeping up a type of fitness you hate is minimal. Consistency is everything. If you can commit to working out 10 minutes a day, then everyone's happy. And try a variety of exercises to discover what you like and keep things interesting. But make sure you get a combination of strength to keep atrophy at bay, balance to reduce risk of injury, and stretching to improve flexibility. These 9 beginner bodyweight exercises are great to get comfortable. Number 1. Air squat. How to do air squats. Standing with feet hip width apart, hinge at the knees to come into a squat position, making sure your knees track over your toes and don't extend past. With the weight in your heels, push back up to standing, squeezing your glutes at the top. Number 2. Dead bug. How to do dead bug. Lie on your back with your arms above your shoulders and legs in a tabletop position. Keeping your arms straight, stable and strong, alternate lowering and lifting each leg, ensuring your lower back remains melted into the floor. Don't lower as far if your back starts to curve. Number 3. Crunch. How to do crunch. Lie on your back, knees bent and feet tucked under a weight, or get your partner or flatmate to stand on them, stretching your arms out in front. Using your core to lift you, reach for your knees with a short, swift movement, lifting only your head, shoulders and upper back off the floor. Reverse and repeat, feeling the burn in your upper abs. Number 4. Downward dog. How to do downward dog. From a kneeling position, curl your toes under and press back against the balls of your feet. Now, lift your hips up towards the ceiling until your body makes an inverted V. Number 5. Glute Bridge. How to do glute bridge. Rest your upper back on the floor and place your feet hip width apart, knees bent at 90 degrees, so your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Squeeze your glutes and lower your hips. That's your starting position. Drive through your heel to return to the top, pausing for 3 seconds before slowly lowering down. Repeat. Number 6. Lunge. How to do lunge. Keeping your back straight, engage your core muscles and place your hands on your hips to stay balanced. Take a big step forward with your right foot, and bend your knee until your right thigh is parallel to the floor. Allow your back heel to lift, but don't let the knee touch the floor. Step back to the starting position, then repeat on the opposite leg. Number 7. Reverse lunge. How to do reverse lunge. Keeping your back straight, engage your core muscles and place your hands on your hips to stay balanced. Take a big step backwards with your right foot and bend your knee until your right thigh is parallel to the floor. Allow your back heel to lift, but don't let the knee touch the floor. Step back to the starting position, then repeat on the opposite leg. Number 8. Push-ups on bent knees. How to do push-ups on bent knees. Get into a plank position, with your hands under but slightly outside of your shoulders. Drop your knees to the floor so that your body forms a high diagonal from shoulders to hips. Keeping your elbows tucked close to your body, lower down until your chest nearly touches the floor. Your upper arms should form a 45-degree angle when your torso is in the bottom position of the move. Pause, then push back to the starting position as quickly as possible. Keep your core braced the entire time. Number 9. Sit up. How to do sit up. Lie down on your back. Bend your legs and place your feet firmly on the ground to stabilize your lower body. Cross your hands to opposite shoulders over your chest, or place them behind your ears, without pulling on your neck. Curl your upper body all the way up toward your knees. Exhale as you lift. Slowly lower yourself down, returning to your starting point. Inhale as you lower. When performed with routine, adequate rest and solid nutrition, for many, it is the best exercise for beginners. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.